OnePlus has launched OnePlus Nord couples of weeks ago and say pretty much everything in it. So in this video we will talk about that OnePlus really puts pretty much everything in it, and in 400 euros what you will get. On the camera side, they say that Nord comes with OnePlus 8 camera mechanism, which is good, a flagship level camera in a budget phone. 4 cameras on the back. Main camera is 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of depth camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera. On the front, there are 2 cameras, 32 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel of ultra wide. Now, this is a plus point that in this range they give a ultra wide camera on the front. Talking about the body of this phone, there is Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and back and plastic frame. On the right side of the phone, there is power button and alert slider. Many people like this and personally I love this feature. And on the left, there are volume rockers. On the front, there is 6.44-inch 1080p resolution AMOLED display, and because this is an AMOLED display, you will get under-display fingerprint scanner, and it is a 90Hz display, so this is more smoother than our Note 20 display. By the way, if you like the video, a subs would be great. Internal side of this phone is great. As you can see, there are 3 variants of this phone: 6GB, 8GB and 12GB variant of RAM, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB of internal storage, and runs on Android 10, which is Android's latest software and latest version of Oxygen OS. And the chipset used in this phone is Snapdragon 765G. Talking about the battery, there is 4115 mAh battery and 30 watt of OnePlus warp charging. Company says that this phone charges 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes, which is quite impressive. Let's take a look what you will get in this phone. A flagship level camera, dual camera on front, Gorilla Glass 5 protection front and back, a 6.44-inch 1080p 90Hz screen, 5G connectivity, 4115 mAh battery, 30 watt of fast charging, and promise to get 2 years of Android update and 3 years of security updates. In my opinion, in that price, this phone is great.